Hello, it's Lauren. So today's tutorial is a very quick way to pull yourself together if you are like myself and you didn't sleep enough the night before. So I'm going in with my Westman Atelier Vital Stick Foundation. I wear the shade 3, and I'm just gonna smooth this on with my fingers, really just to kind of even everything out. I'm gonna go back in with an actual concealer to brighten my under eyes. Basically, the reason I was up and I didn't get much sleep was my personal favorite YouTube star just launched her own line. And it launched in the middle of the night for me because I'm in California, and it launched in New York time. So it launched at 4 o'clock in the morning. And yeah, I definitely had to get up because I refuse to miss out on her initial launch. If you don't know, her name is Violette FR. You can find her on YouTube. I'm now taking some Huda Overachiever concealer in the shade Coconut Flakes. This is like the perfect, quick under eye, brighten up, cover everything concealer. It's also like waterproof and life proof. So highly, highly recommend this. Anyway, so Violette, I have been watching her channel, my God, like probably 6 years. I don't know. It's been a really, really long time. She was also the global director for Estee Lauder pretty recently. I'm not sure if she's still there or if she has since stepped away to start her own brand. But anyway, so you can expect a review of her new launches basically as soon as I get them. I'm going to do a first impressions, and then you'll continue to see them in videos like this. But I'm so excited because the entire collection is just like such a great representation of all of the kind of products that she always reached for previously in her videos when she would do like makeovers and like have friends. And what I love so much about her overall take with like makeup and beauty is that like it just enhances the best versions of yourself, like just making you look like the freshest, prettiest, most artistic version of yourself. So this is the Rare blush, the Soft Pinch blush. This is the shade Happy. It's like this really, oh, I used way too much. This really like fresh pink. And when I'm feeling kind of tired, I like to really use bright colors that are going to wake up my face. As you can see, that blush is like so intense for the teensiest little dots. You'll also notice for this look, I'm really mostly just using my fingers. I'm not using a ton of brushes because I can just really quickly kind of just wake it all up by using my fingertips. And just for good measure, we'll kind of blend that out like that. Okay, now I'm going to take a little bit of my MAC Mineralize Skin Finish. I'm the shade Medium Plus. This will just kind of further help to even everything out, set the face a little bit. Set under the eyes, on the eyelids. This will help to give a little bit of color there so it neutralizes my kind of bluish under eyes that I get, and over my eyes, sorry. Okay, now I'm gonna warm up the face just a little bit with some Westman Atelier Butter Bronzer, kind of just hitting the perimeters of the face. Kind of like I said, everything I'm doing right now is really just to kind of bring some color to the face, make me look a little more fresh, a little more awake, kind of bring back some vitality. It's basically the goal. And I'm also going to take an eyeshadow brush, and I'm gonna just take a little bit of that bronzer and pop it into my crease just for some added definition. Very soft, fluffy blending brush. Nothing complicated here. Whoops. And then I'm gonna go in with some Jones Road Beauty in the Sparkle Wash in Cool Pink, kind of sticking with the theme of pink for this look. And just quickly swipe that on my lids using my finger. The nice thing about this one is it does dry pretty quickly, so once you just kind of get it in place, it just takes a few seconds to kind of set down. And this particular color, it is pink, but the shimmer and like sparkle kind of reads blue on me. All right. Now I'm gonna throw on a little bit of the Uoma Browfro. I wear the shade 03. What I like about this one is it holds the brows really well, but as you can also see, it deposits quite a bit of pigment, and it's very easy also to take the tip of it and drag it on the skin where my brows are sparse, which really kind of helps to quickly define them without needing an extra product. You'll also notice, like, I didn't even have to re-dip this. Like, there's quite a bit on the wand, and it could be because this is still somewhat new and I'm still just kind of like, you know, I guess working down that initial fullness of the product. I really do like this product a lot though. I did just redip a tiny bit because I want a little extra to layer on through my arch and the tail. And then we'll just quickly feather and blend it all through a little better. And now this next step that I'm gonna do, I would say is kind of an optional thing. If you're doing a quick face, like this is not something that you absolutely have to do. But I do want a little more definition around my eyes. So I'm just gonna take this Haus Labs Eye.Lie.Ner and quickly make a little wing. And apparently make a mess of my eyelid. Dude. All right. Now I'm gonna throw on a little bit of mascara and a lip, and we are done. This look is so fast. This is something that I can really just kind of whip out at the drop of a hat. I always feel more put together, more polished. So to save on some time, I'm gonna use I would say my absolute favorite mascara, which is the Jones Road Beauty. The mascara, I have a backup tube of this, like it's that good. I don't have to curl my lashes with this. If you haven't seen my Jones Road Beauty review, I will link that for you. But this mascara is so nice because it really lifts up the lashes really fast, builds them up, lengthens them. And they pretty much are always perfect when I use this mascara. It's a absolute like foolproof mascara for me. Do a little bit more. All right, and the very final step to really brighten everything up, I'm gonna use the Westman Atelier Lip Suede, and I'm gonna use this really bright fuchsia shade at the top there. Okay, and that is my really rapid, like 10-minute face. It's just like my fail-proof way of looking more put together by just evening out the skin, concealing any under eye darkness, and using some pops of color to really kind of detract from how tired I actually am. So I hope that you enjoyed this. If you did, please make sure to like and subscribe. Helps other people to find my channel, and I can continue bringing you this kind of content. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.